Jeff here, just finishing up some New York strip steaks. These are bone in. Of course, you got to put a little garlic in there. Must have the garlic. Adding a little bit of pepper, a little sea salt. And we're flaming with a touch of Jamaican rum. Oh, that's going to be good. So this is one of the rare instances where I'm using some whole butter. I prefer the olive oil, but the butter's really good on these Brussels sprouts here. So we're just going to toss the butter on here, add a little bit of sea salt, and a little bit of, I'm going to use white pepper on the Brussels sprouts. White pepper is really nice, and it's basically less visible. You don't see it. Okay, that butter's melting. There we go. We're going to put a few of these Brussels down on the plate, just like this. Oh yeah. And I've got some sautéed Yukon Gold potatoes here. I've added a little bit of rosemary, and there's some demi-glace in with the potatoes for extra flavor. Oh yeah. And I've got one of these big giant bone-in strip steaks. Yeah. They've been slow cooking in the oven. Yeah. I'll put that on right there like that, as well as a little bit of the natural pan juices right over the top. The mushrooms are sauteed cremini mushrooms. Yeah. So please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh, that strip steak's gonna be good. Uh-huh. Hello, Chef here. Once again, another review. This is a Global G6. What can be done with the right knife? Those are all cut perfectly in half. It's very easy when you have the right tools. Apple flour. Yeah, not too big, not too heavy, easy to move around, super high quality, and you're buying an heirloom. This will last for generations as long as you take care of it.